This video will demonstrate how to create student reports. After logging into your IHT system, click on Assessments. Going into Reports, create a new report. You will have an option that is called Assessment Detailed Report. In any report, any type of data, anything that you have collected throughout the time that you've been using this software, you can bring it back up and do a comparison. So for this example, I'm going to type in here 2014-15, and this is the second quarter report, and it's going to be just an overview on the rubric scores for my students. So I'll type in rubrics here, and then type in the teacher's name if you would like to do so. So now if this report needs to go to the central office or to the state, or even if you just want to run reports and let your students see during the entire quarter how they've progressed in different areas, this report will allow that for you. So it's very important to look at the dates. Make sure you backdate it to the beginning of that quarter, if you chose to do it by quarter or every 2 weeks or whatever your school system is asking of you. Click on the group that you want the report to be about, then click on the measures that you want to do an analysis of or a report of. The other place that I would use this type of a report would be parent-teacher conferences. This would be a great report for that. Create a report. Sometimes this could take time because you're asking a lot of information. Now, the data and how the data is displayed is what I really like about this report. As you recall in our measures, when we were setting up our rubrics, right here on row 1, here the language comes back in, so it's matching up just like our rubrics are that's posted in the gym. The other thing that I really like about this is you take one aspect of your class at a time. So if the measure is offense, maybe the first one that you did was a simple game of ultimate frisbee. Then the second time that you were doing offensive movements, maybe it was basketball. Maybe the third time was a football game. Maybe the fourth time was a floor hockey game. But because of the dates, you can always reflect back to the different units that's being taught. And then also speaking with your students, you can talk to them about, where their strengths and maybe where some of their weaknesses were. And this is a great tool, once again, for parent-teacher conference, for an overview, for a comparison from the beginning of a semester to the end of the semester, or the beginning of the year to the end.